There are many benefits to having a landscaped yard, but it also comes with a lot of work. Walls Custom Concrete in Milford is changing some of the time and effort involved by installing custom landscape edging by Border Magic. Ryan Spyros wanted to find out what it's all about. Take a look at this.
If you have landscaping in your yard, you know it can be tricky when it comes to keeping the grass separated from either the mulch or the rocks. But all of that can be a thing of the past, thanks to Walls Custom Concrete in Milford, which installs custom landscape edging by Border Magic.
An individual that is typically edging their lawn with some type of stackable rock or brick that eventually over time gets uneven and has weeds growing through it, Border Magic offers that customer a permanent solution that is going to last probably forever.
Robert Chambers is the general manager of the Walls Group of companies.
When customers see this product and they know that over the life of that landscaping they're not going to have to readjust, they want it.
Robert says the company has been installing these concrete borders for about 7 years now. The borders are popular down south, but the trend has been making its way north and is now on Delmarva.
It's just a wow factor.
The main function of the borders is to keep the various elements of your yard away from each other.
This is a perfect example of where the border keeps the lawn away from what's in the gardens, in this case mulch. So you have your separation here, and it's never going to change.
Now, these borders may be made of concrete, but they don't give off that appearance by any means. As a matter of fact, you can't even tell.
The concrete is colored so that the base of the concrete will never show through a cement color. It's always colored, and then we top coat it with different types of shading, and then it gets a coat of a sealant over it that gives it a sort of a luster look.
And it's custom made to fit the shape and design of your landscaping.
What we do in the beginning is we lay it out with the homeowner. We understand what the homeowner, the curves and shapes and so forth, and then we'll use a marking paint. We'll mark it out, and then when the crew shows up, we have a sod cutter. We'll just cut out that sod, about so much. We'll cut out that sod, roll it up, haul it off, and then we'll just use that surface, that virgin surface. We'll use that surface to lay the concrete right on top of it.
From there, crews will give it that custom look or the final appearance the homeowner has chosen. And once the concrete dries, the border will firmly stay in place.
It's very strong. It's not going to shift with as the ground shifts.
What's even better, the maintenance is minimal.
There's literally no maintenance. The maintenance is wash it down with a garden hose or brush it off with a broom. That's the maintenance.
Walls Custom Concrete doesn't only install custom landscape edging by Border Magic, they also make sure it stays in perfect condition. The bordering comes with a 10-year limited warranty against cracking, fading, and peeling.
We're very concerned about the life of the concrete, the appearance of it, and what their friends and family and neighbors are going to see when they come over and look at it.
And with the majority of their work in Sussex and Kent counties, Walls Custom Concrete is hoping Border Magic will grow and catch on other parts of the peninsula.
And just in case you were wondering, Walls Custom Concrete says yes, that landscape edging by Border Magic can be installed at both residential and commercial properties. If you'd like more information, go to our website, delmarvalife.com, and click on the Show tab. Up next on Delmarva Life, glimpses inside a designer home in Rehoboth Beach. Why local designers put their weight behind this project and how you can see the finished product. Delmarva Life, life at its best here on Delmarva.